because I don't like fiddly things. Probably why I'm single. Hey guys, welcome to our new video. We're actually going to be installing a new air filter on this Corsa SXI. Come over here and take a little look. Yes, we're still learners. No. So guys, what we're going to do, we're going to put the bonnet here real quick. Number one, this is our air filter box. It's ugly, it's just there. We want to make this engine look a little bit better than what it really is at the moment. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys how simple this is. We've got a few screws, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 star screws. We've got a quick box to take off and one quick nut. So we're going to do unscrew this. This can come off as well because this we're not going to need. So we're going to have nice good cooling air straight into the engine. And then we're going to also have a nice sound, I'm hoping, as well from this air filter. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly start the car up, let you guys listen to it and hear how it currently sounds. And then you guys can listen to how it sounds straight after. So let's get into it. So guys, as you just heard, that sounds a bit boring, a bit bland, not really what we want to do. So what we're going to do, we've got the tools that we need for this job. So simple. Some star-shaped keys, Allen keys, and some, well, we're going to call this a socket set. So what we're going to do, we're going to start this off over here. I'm going to leave the camera running, we're going to do this raw. I say we're going to leave it raw. We're going to obviously edit this, chop it up and do what we got to do. What have I just done? I think I've got the wrong size here. No, we look about right. So what we're going to do, we're going to take these off like so. These are quite simple to do, straightforward. Let's just get these loosened up like so. Once these are all off, you know, I reckon this is going to make the car, one, I'm hoping it should improve it. Two, it should sound a lot nicer. God, these are some long screws. Bear in mind, I haven't even looked on how to do this. I'm just going by a guess. So we're going to take these out like so. We've got one, we've got another one here. The same size? Yeah. Here we go. Here's two. Okay, let's now crack that one. I'm going to loosen this up. 1 and 2. Let's take this out like so. Got 2. We got one here, 3. There we are, crack that. Oh, I just realised I'm going to get black by doing this. Let me get some gloves. So, just like this, we're right back. Let's quickly take this screw out before I end up getting all black hands. I don't want to end up getting oiled or, you know, just dusty or anything like that, just because I have got to get back in the car and drive home. So, what we'll do, we'll take this screw out now like so. There we go. It's going to be number 3. Come on, back up. And number 3. We've got one more bite here. This one's going to be the awkwardest one. But we got there. So we're going to bring this screw out as well, like so. There we go. Leave these like so. And now we've got a few clips, one here, and one here. I think that's it. Oh, we've got to take this off as well. So if we unscrew this, what size we're going to need? Don't say. I'm going to take a guess on a 7. Oh! Thanks, buddy. Where did that go? Oh, oh. So, need this. I'm gonna put this on here like so. We're gonna lefty loosey. Yeah. And we're gonna crank this out. Now, this is gonna be an awkward one there. Let's go. Pull this off here, because this we don't need. Normally guys, I'd say just take this off. There's one screw here and you can pull this out here, but in this car that piece is already broke, so we're just going to take this off. Don't need that. This here, we're now going to take this off, so we're going to put this off like so. Let's pull this I just realised we're doing this in somewhere where we've got to use the car to get home. So if something goes wrong, we can't get home. Oh, I'm trusting my mechanic skills. Bear in mind, I've never done anything mechanical. I just guess, or I YouTube it. So let's see what we can do. Let's pop this off here. So slide this off like that. Take this box off. There's our air filter, lads. So, I'm going to take this air filter out because it's a bit, that's not the best. Yeah. That one can go in a bin. How do we get this click off here now? Let me have a look. So, my guess is, soon figure this out, lads. I think you just pull off by the looks. That's what it looks like. Good guess. Now we have time for the new filter. Look at this. This is looking bad. Look how much room we have as well here. Woo! Right. So what I'm gonna do? We've now got our new air filter. So we've got a universal car filter. It's a induction kit. So I think this should be straightforward. We're gonna pull this off. Don't need all that.
Wait a minute. No, wait.
We're gonna save some room, and we're going to. New shiny. Nice and shiny, nice and shiny. I'm pretty sure these are all universal. I am pretty sure, guys, these are all universal. You can get these for absolutely any car. So I actually think, guys, these are universal for all cars. I'm not sure what size we're gonna need for this. We're gonna see. I'm hoping I might just use the new Jubilee clip because this one's looking a bit worn. So we're going to use this one. That one's just nice and shiny. Yeah, so let's have a quick look. I think we can leave this one on like so. And yeah, so we've got some smaller heads. I'm pretty sure these should pop off, I think. Or do you leave these on there and then these go in there? I think that's what happens with these. I'm pretty sure these rubbers just go into there like so. And then we have a rubber around this, like so. I think this is how it goes anyway. Guys, don't take tips from me. I am literally just going with the flow and seeing what I know. Okay, actually I think this might work. This one could go into, yeah, I see, said the blind man. How do you know I'm blind? So, this one here goes into this one. Yeah. So we put that on there, and then this one's gonna go around there. Yeah, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this quickly in the box again. I'm sure we can put this one onto this, like so. Or do we want to go a little bit bigger? Go a little tighter around that. Yeah, I think we could do that. Oh, let's have a look here. So we put this one around here, like so. We're gonna just push this into there, like this. There we go. So we get this rubber around here like so. I'm going to come up here and show them what I'm on about. So if we just push this rubber around, make sure we've got that nice little seal on that. So that can go... oh, I think that was quite a bit, that was a little too big. So yeah, we don't want to have all that gap. So we've got to get something to go around that gap like this. So let's try this way. At the moment, guys, we have got to try and find the right size for this here. So we've got this on here because I'm hoping this is going to come around then to squeeze everything together as should. So this into here like this. Like I said, guys, do not take ideas from me. Or do not use me as a tutorial because I haven't got a clue what I'm doing. I'm just going with my own gut and seeing if it works or not. So let's just see. just like that. There we go. We've got a Jubilee. Aha, we've got this, guys. Aha. Okay. And then I'm assuming if we just squeeze that tight. Which one's the size up from now, in fact? We've got two other sizes here. So we've got, that's the one up. And that's, what sizes we've got? 7763, 7760. And this one was a 7770, and that's a 76. I'm not sure what size this is. Let's have a look at a 7760.
Oh my god, why aren't you recording him completely? All you're doing, we don't want to see what he's doing, we want to see his beautiful face.
I'm gonna go with my instincts and take a guess. Take a guess. That's the way, lad, that's the way. I'm taking a guess on this. So that's where we're gonna go with this one, I think. What size is that? Same size. It's gonna switch this over. We're gonna get this a bit, tighten this up quite a little. I'm probably miles off where I'm doing here. Like, he's probably like way off. Okay. Cablo's up, you know why? I don't know if I should have just left the bottom box in there. But I don't really want it in there if I haven't got to have it in there. But I think it would have been good just for the thing to rest on. But I'm hoping it's going to have enough strength within it. Oh, this is going to look cool. And then we're going to tighten this one up like so. Just like this. Let's get that seal on there. Once we've got this tightened up, I think I'll be able to then adjust that to where I want it completely. Once I've got a little bit of tension on it. Like I said, guys, I haven't got a clue what I'm doing. I'm just taking a guess. I'm just going with the flow, seeing what I know. And yeah, hopefully we'll get the Corsa gang on the crew, you know. Corsa gang, come on, if you all got Corsas or you got a Corsa or have ever had a Corsa, drop a comment down below, Corsa gang, because you all know how to do. We send these Corsas dingy, you know. There we go, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Yabba dabba doo. Right, let's make lip here. Normally, I'm pretty sure you're supposed to have that out a little bit, so when you slide it over this rubber, it will then go into place. But I'm gonna see if I can do it without doing that, just because I'm not sure if that is what you should or shouldn't do. So, yeah, I think that's what I gotta do. If I get this out just a little bit more around the edge, I'm gonna leave a tiny lip, so when I slide it on, it's gonna have a good seal, like this, just like this, and then there we go. There we are. And then I'm gonna get that seal all around, push that in like that. There we go. So we've got this rubber in place, just like this. Gonna push this seal down. Like that. There we go. So we've got that seal. I'm going to tighten this up to where we want it, which will be right about there. This is the fiddly part because I've only got two hands. That's why I'm not a mechanic, because I don't like fiddly things. It's probably why I'm single. Right, just like so. Get this done up like that, nice and tight. Ooh. You want a nice solid fit. Right, just like that, guys. We've got that torque and tension in place. Don't want to over tighten it, but from what I can see, looks like we're in place. We should have to take this sticker off as well.
Just realised what I done. Try to take a sticker off with a glove on. Right, so let's just see the difference. Get this sticker off. Just gonna do one more. Ugly stickers stopping our new fancy air filter. I should actually get some cleaner for this. Yeah, I'll get some cleaner for that. We'll do that off camera. But what we will take that sticker off eventually, guys. But yeah, let's see how she sounds. Alright, get up close there, cameraman. You want to listen to this? Not too close, but close enough. What's your theories? Do you think this is going to be good or bad? Let's soon see, eh? Times better. We got rid of all this junk. 10 times better. Listen to it, listen. So guys, I'm actually happy with that. I'm over the moon. Yes! That's 10 times better than what I was actually hoping on. We've got to get our timing chain done. That's the next job. That is the next job. We're going to get this timing chain done. Wow. Do you know what? We should get a new coil pack for this, because look at these coils. That's just from the casings. So I reckon we should buy a new coil pack. It's only what? 2 bolts. Unplug this. Yeah, we should get a new coil pack. That's amazing. I'm over the moon with this. Wow, I'm over the moon, But look, we just deleted this because that was here. This big ugly box. Just for that. And this sounds amazing, I've got to be honest. When my timing chain's done, that's amazing. French kiss. A new air filter on a car. So we'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Drive safe. See you guys.